Hello, pre-calculus students. This is Mr. McElvaney,
It's Ms. Wishart.
and we are working together today to present you a lesson about systems of two equations.
Yep, section 7.1. So this particular video is going to be about the method of substitution, and there's two methods we're going to talk about, and this is just one method that we're going to do, and then we'll have another video on the other one.
All right, so here we go. This is the method of substitution, like Ms. Wishart said. So what you're looking at on the board, 2x minus y equals 10, 6x plus 4y equals 1. And those are two lines, right? And those two lines, since they are not parallel, they intersect somewhere. We're going to find where they intersect. So what we're going to do is we are going to take that y, and we're going to isolate that y. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So we've got negative y is equal to 10 minus 2x. And I'm going to divide by negative 1 on both sides. So that y becomes negative 10 plus 2x. All right, so the reason this method is called substitution is because we're going to take this value for y right here, and we're going to substitute it up into that y. So this y is going to become negative 10 plus 2x. So let's see what we get. We're going to get 6x plus 4, okay, don't forget we're substituting right here, times negative 10 plus 2x, and then this equation says that's equal to 1. All right, distributive property, 6x minus 40 plus 8x equals 1. You can combine your like terms. 14x, I'll add 40 to both sides. So 14x equals 41, which means that x is going to equal 41 over 14. So if we're talking about a point of intersection, the x value of that point of intersection is 41/14. So the question is, how do you find the y? All right, so we find the y by taking this value for x and putting this x value either into that y or that y. Sorry, that x or that x. Ms. Wishart, which one do you think would be easier?
I think the first one.
I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take this value of x, so I'm going to put it right up into here. So here's what you get. You're going to get 2 over 1 times 41/14. Multiply. And then minus y is equal to 10. So top times top over bottom times bottom minus y equals, okay, this is a good time to get common denominators. We're going to get this, we're going to rewrite it as a number that's equal to 10, but has a denominator of 14. And it looks like that number is going to be 140. If you're not sure, you can do this. You have to multiply that by 14, so multiply this by 14. You get 140 over 14. All right, we're going to subtract 82/14 from both sides. So negative y is equal to 58 over 14. So when you divide by negative 1, you're going to get a y value of negative 58/14. And since both numbers are even, you can reduce it to negative 29/7. That is where the two lines intersect. That's called the solution to the system. This is the point of intersection.
All right, that was example number 1.
Example 1.
So be on the lookout. We'll have post another video for example number 2 and example number 3. So we'll be back.
Bye.